Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check software version for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. To check software version you need to go to the SOUNDCORE application, and of course you need to add your speaker to the app. Then you will see it at the device list, tap at your speaker, and after that go to the settings at the right top. But of course your speaker should be connected with a phone to enter in this menu. So settings, and right here we have update firmware line. Firmware is the same as software, so near to it we have your current software version. You can also tap at this line, it check for updates, and it show to you right here your current version. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!